Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Gizoon 30-inch propane fire pit table 50,000 BTU, outdoor fire pit table with lid and lava rock, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Versatile design for dining and entertaining. With a stylish lid that doubles as a tabletop when closed, this 30-inch iron fire table easily transforms into a dining or serving area, suitable for gathering around with friends and family. Effortless Propane Ignition. Equipped with a convenient propane ignition system, starting and adjusting the flame is as easy as turning a knob, no need for matches or lighters. The table is CSA certified to ensure your safety when using it. Elegant ambience with lava rock. Enhance your outdoor atmosphere with the warm glow of dancing flames over lava rocks, adding both beauty and functional heat. Built-in side door for easy access. A discreet side door provides easy access to the propane tank, ensuring refills and maintenance are quick, safe, and seamless without disturbing your setup. Safety reminder for peace of mind. Always make sure the flame is completely extinguished and the surface has cooled down before closing the lid, ensuring a safe and lasting experience with your fire table. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.